All right, I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to do the GradeCam import list of your classes. So you go onto GradeCam and you sign in. You're going to click Classes. I'm going to click New for a new class. ELD and a period 2. Click Save there. Once you're there, you'll click on Students and New. You're going to click Import Students and leave this here. Open a new tab to Aries. Once you're in Aries, you scroll down where it says View All Reports. Click View All Reports. Then you're going to click Class Rosters. Here you want the report format to be in Excel, so it's XLSX. I am going to click Attendance Roster, and then here it says Add Fields to Print Out. I'm going to click Student Number, then the first name, then the last name. Since I only want to add my ELD class, I'm going to click here. Click there and Run Report. I'm going to download that report, click into that roster that I just got. You're going to delete all this craziness up here, and I'm going to delete this whole thing right here. All I want is that SN part right there. So delete. I'm going to click this just to get the box of the last name, first name, and the student number, and I'm going to cut it. You want to paste it right up into the corner there. And I'm going to delete all of this here. Once I've done that, I'm going to do File, Save As, and I'm going to do ELD period 2 roster. Save. Once I've saved it, I'm going to click back into Google Chrome, go to GradeCam, and select that file. So here it is, ELD period 2 roster, and I'm going to open it. It should be there, and I'm going to just click No Header. Click Next. Student's first name, I'm going to say is from C, so FN, first name. Student last name, I'm scrolling to the right, is on E, last name. The student ID here is on column A, and then the GradeCam ID, I'm going to use the last 4 digits of their student ID. Click Next. You should see all of your students populated here, and you'll run the import. Click Yes, Run Import, and click Done. You should see your students there, all their names here, and then I have a little dead space here, so I'm going to remove it. Remove, and you're good to go.